Welcome to the channel. In this class, I am explaining about continuity. Check the continuity of f given by f of x equals to 4 minus x square if x less than or equal to 0, x minus 5 x less between 0 and 1, 4x square minus 9 x less between 1 and 2, 3x plus 4 x greater than or equal to 2. At the points 0, 1 and 2, we want to check the functionality, the continuity of the values 0, 1 and 2. Limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 1 and limit x tends to 2. Those three values we want to check. So, limit x tends to 0, first value, f of x equals to, what is 0? X less than or equal to 0 is there and 0 less than x less than 1 means what? X less than 0 or equal to 0. Here not equal to 0, 0 less between x and 1. So we want to take this one. That means limit x tends to 0, 4 minus x square. This function I want to take. Okay? That means 4 minus 0 square equals to 4. Okay? Also, f of 0 equals to 4 minus 0 square, nothing but 4. Therefore, f of x is continuous at x equals to 0. That is over. Why? Because those two are equal. Okay? Take 1. Limit x tends to 1. F of x equals to limit x tends to 1. F of x means what? 1 means x less between 0 and 1. X less between 1 and 2. We want only 1 here. That is why we want to take this one. That means x minus 5 equals to 1 minus 5 equals to minus 4. Okay? Also, f of 1 equals to 1 minus 5 equals to minus 4. Therefore, f of x is continuous at x equals to 1. This is important point. Okay? Because both two are equal. Yes or not? Now let us take 2. Limit x tends to 2. F of x equals to 2 means what? X greater than or equal to 2 is there. X less between 1 and 2 is there. Here we want to take greater than 2. Yes or not? So we want to take 3x plus 4. Limit x tends to 2. 3x plus 4 equals to 6 plus 4, that is 10. Also, f of 2 equals to 3 into 2 plus 4 equals to 10. Therefore, f of x is continuous at x equals to 2. In this way you can do the problems regarding continuity. First of all, we want x 0, after 1, after that 2. You just substitute the values and after that you can find f of 0, f of 1 and f of 2. If both are equal, definitely those function is continuity. That is important point which you have to observe here. Okay? See the next problem. Find real constants a and b so that the function f is given by f of x equals to sin x if x less than or equal to 0, x square plus a if 0 less than x less than 1, bx plus 3 if 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3, minus 3 if x greater than 3 is continuous or not. Now, in this problem we want values of AB. Those are real constants. How to find? Simple. First we can take 0. 0 means left hand limit, right hand limit. You can take 0 minus 0 plus. After that you can take 3, left hand limit and right hand limit. If the function is continuous, those two are equal, left hand limit and right hand limit. That is the way of doing the problem. Okay. X tends to 0 minus f of x equals to 0 minus means less than 0. That means x less than or equal to 0. That is limit x tends to 0 minus sin x. Sin 0 is nothing but 0. Okay. This is from trigonometric functions. You know that. This is left hand limit. Now you can take right hand limit. Limit x tends to 0 plus f of x equals to limit x tends to 0 plus x. Here 0 plus means greater than 0. Yes or not? After 0. X lies between 0 and 1. X greater than 0, less than 1. That means you want to take this one, x square plus a. X square plus a is nothing but 0 plus a equals to a. One rule is there. If f is continuous, left hand limit equal to right hand limit. If f of x is continuous, left hand limit equal to right hand limit. Left hand limit is nothing but minus, right hand limit is nothing but plus. So, what is the left hand limit? 0 equals to right hand limit a. That implies a equals to 0. That is one answer. Now you got a value. Where is there? Now let us take 3. Limit x tends to 3 minus f of x equals to. Here x value is less than 3. X value is less than 3. That means x is between 1 and 3. This is 1 and 3. So we want to take this one. Equals to limit x tends to 3 minus f of x means this. Bx plus 3. That means 3b. B into x means 3b plus 3. Okay. Next we can take right hand limit. Limit x tends to 3 plus f of x equals to limit x tends to 3 plus what is f of x now? 3 plus means greater than 3. X greater than 3 means we can take minus 3. That is equals to minus 3. Okay. Now, as a rule, if f of x is continuous, left hand limit equals to right hand limit. That implies left hand limit is what? This one. 3b plus 3 equals to right hand limit is minus 3. Okay. Now solve that one. 3b equals to minus 3 goes to that side, that is minus 3. That implies b equals to minus 2. Okay. Therefore, real constants a equals to 0 and b equals to minus 2. In this way, you can find the real constants. Okay guys. These are very important problems. Practice these problems. Remember carefully. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our Matthew B2 channel. Like and share it. Thank you.